कोरियन क्रेज़ अब इंडिया में इतना बढ़ गया है कि कोरियन फूड खाने के लिए आपको कोरिया जाने की ज़रूरत भी नहीं पड़ेगी because lot of restaurants here are now serving Korean food. Let's check out top 2 Korean dishes to try. Sundubujjigae is a common spicy Korean stew generally made of tofu, vegetables, mushrooms, seafood, meat and gochujang, which is a chili paste. Depending on the chef and region, some ingredients can be added to the mix. Traditionally, a raw egg is placed on top of the stew. Number 2. Bibimbap. Bibimbap is essentially a bowl of mixed ingredients including rice, namul, which is a seasoned and sauté vegetables, mushrooms, meat, soy sauce, gochujang, which is a chili pepper paste, and a fried egg. And the most famous versions of the dish are found in various parts in Korea. So, agli baar do order these and we are sure you will love them. See you soon!